Now have a look, statements and conclusions. All classes, as per the given question, for the given statements, we have to draw the diagram, then conclusion must be true in all diagrams. All glasses are rooms. Some rooms are planes. All planes are ducks. Some ducks are lanterns. This is one diagram. There are many diagrams we can try. But conclusion must be true in all diagrams. Is this conclusion one? Some lanterns are planes. Failed. Some ducks are rooms. True. In this diagram. Some rooms are glasses. True. In this diagram. First one failed. I don't want first one. So all follows. First one available, if available. Option B is the answer. It's straightforward. Some ducks are glasses. Failed. In one diagram, why I'm going for option B? I don't want first one and fourth one. Okay, with that only option B is available. I can draw multiple diagrams. We can draw multiple and we can show, but conclusion must be true in all diagrams. Conclusion true in all diagrams is required. Next one, blood relations. Biswas is the father of Tilak. Biswas is the father of Tilak. Biswas has only two children. Tilak is brother of Rani. Rani is daughter of Pratiksha. So definitely Biswas and Pratiksha are married couple. Rani is daughter of Pratiksha and Biswas. Biswas is father of Tilak. Biswas has only two children. Clear. Anvi is the granddaughter of Pratiksha. Shobhan is the father of Anvi. Shobhan is the father of Anvi. Anvi is granddaughter of Pratiksha. Rani is married to Shobhan. Fine. Now question is, how is Shobhan related to Tilak? Shobhan related to Tilak, they are in the same generation. Sister husband is brother-in-law. Okay, brother-in-law available is this symbol. And is brother-in-law they given, so D is the answer. Brother-in-law. Next one, you have to select which is having similar logic. A same letters is available in left and right. We are suggest to write okay 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. Numbering, no, this is different letters, no, not required. You observe what is happening. This is swapping two letters. These two swapping two letters is happened. Last two will be same. B and C is correct. You observe both having first two letters swapping, next two letters swapping, last two as it is. B and C is correct. Perfect. Whereas fourth one wrong term, you can find this model, right? So first letter 19, 21, 23, 25, A is 27, fine, no problem. This is 2, 5, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, okay. Second letter is following plus 3, no issue anywhere. First letter is following plus 2, or skipping one letter, no issue with that. Third letter is reverse, yeah, see. N before M, M before L, L before K, K before J, J, K, L, M, N. Third letter is -1. Previous letter they are writing. That's also quite good, no issues. Now fourth letter we have to look clearly. That's where maybe trouble available. So yeah, in fact, YKKJ is the answer. 17. This is 15. 13. This is 9. Here this is 10. Second letter is 10 here. We want last letter is 10, but we want 11, right? Okay, if you observe that is disturbing, that's why answer is YKKJ. -2 logic is happening, but that one thing disturbing that. Wrong term in the series. Now here, cannot be selected, guys. Read the question carefully. Cannot be selected. Directly I can go for option D. because L and Y cannot be put together. L and Y are together. Don't scratch your heads. Question is regarding cannot be selected. Which cannot be selected as a team? It's obviously option D. Now back to that syllogism related question. For the given statement, we have to draw the diagram. Some solids are liquids, all liquids are water. You can draw multiple diagrams. Okay. Some solids are liquids, all liquids are water. We can take same diagram for both. Some water is not liquid is wrong. See, for all x or y, this diagrams, two diagrams are there for your kind info. One diagram is this, all x or y, one diagram is this. The other diagram for all x or y is this also fine. Both diagrams we can draw as per that. Second one failed here. All water are liquid. Here they said some water is not liquid is failed. Okay. Some water is solid. First one true. Here also first one true. First one follows. Only one follows. Only one follows. D is neither one nor two follows. Okay, option is C for this question. C answer. Is that clear? Now, data sufficiency. I think by this time you people are getting the clarity, right? So what is the requirement? Sum of the roots you want. The roots of the successive integers whose product is 30 means 5 into 6 minus 5 into minus 6 also. Then sum of the roots cannot be done with statement 1 alone. Statement 1 alone you cannot decide. They said roots are successive integers and their product is this. It can be 5 into 6 minus 5 minus 6. Then sum of the roots can be plus 11 and minus 11. Then this leads sum can be 11 or sum can be minus 11. So I cannot find sum of the roots. Now 2 alone. Can we do it 2 alone? Roots are distinct, but their squares is 32. Yes, you can do. Statement, one of the statements alone is okay. How, sir? Minus 6 and plus 6, which is 36 plus 36, 72. They are integers and that must be distinct, right? So I can find sum of the roots is now 0. So statement 2 alone is able to identify the answer. Excellent question regarding data sufficiency, right? Next level question this is. See this question again, data sufficiency. What is the average age of father, mother and son? So I want father plus mother plus son. Divide by 3. Okay, first of all, if I know that summation, then cool, right? But one alone, two alone, one alone, age of mother and son ratio is given. Okay. Father is 4 years older than the mother, who was as old as the son 22 years ago. Fine. So here, using one alone, I am just trying. Mother is let it be 5k, son is 3k because of 5 is to 3. Okay. In question, father is 4 years older than mother. So m plus 4, which is 5k plus 4. Now, as per the question, father age, who was as old as the son 22 years ago. So father minus 22 is son present age actually. That's what they want to convey. Father 22 years ago, the age of father is now equal to son's age. So 5k plus 4 minus 22 is son 3k. We got 2k equal to 18, k equal to 9. Right, so when you know k value 9, father will be obtained, mother obtained, son obtained. Statement 1 alone okay. Statement 1 alone okay. Sir, you are not trying 2 alone. Here there is a no option either 1 or 2. Each statement alone is not there. 1 alone is okay. Don't go for together. So what about second one, sir? Second one, what they given? Son is now as old as father 26 years ago. Okay. So son, father age 26 years ago is equal to son age. The average age of father and mother is 57. Now, three unknowns, two equations, I cannot calculate FMS. Yes or no? You just observe. We have two equations, two unknowns, not possible to calculate, but one alone I am able to do that. Fine. Okay, it might be sorry. This is related to mother. Mother 22 years ago is equal to father son's present age. Fine. Okay, this is not father, mother. So statement related to mother. Who means it's related to mother only. Okay, fine. But still, okay, if that is the case also, we can find difference is 2k, k equal to 11. When you know k value 11, you can calculate if k is obtained, mother, son and father all can be obtained. One alone is damn sure. But that equation, yes, okay, this is who is mentioned, means it's related to mother. Mother was as old as the son 22 years ago. Who is mentioned is related to mother only. Mother 22 years ago is equal to son's present age. Next, again data sufficiency. Who is second to the right of D? There are 6 people in a circular table facing towards center. Okay. Here they given C and D are immediate neighbors and C is sitting opposite to B. See, you can observe clearly, alone not possible. They have to go together. But means it's related to first candidate, not immediate. But and means it's related to first candidate only. Fine, I think with 1 and 3, it's I have to check. I'll check once. C is opposite sitting with B. 1 and 3 I'm thinking about. D is second to the right of F. C and D are neighbors. D is second to the right of F. F here, D is second to the right of F. D and E are not neighbors. Here it is, the arrangement will complete. Right, so sir, no other arrangement will come. Let us check. Okay, we'll see, is there any other things possible? C and D are C sitting opposite to B. C and D are immediate neighbors. Let's say D here. D is second right of F. Not possible. F here, first right, second right, not possible. So only this arrangement will come. 1 and 3 will complete the things and it will give the idea who is second to the right of D as well. 1 and 3 is fine. Now see the 10th question. In a certain code, this is the code's blood relation. Okay, you can identify blood relations they're asking. They're asking data sufficiency, syllogism, seating arrangements, series, that too wrong term in the series model. They're giving A, B, C, D likewise, and they're asking page. Is it? So now here D is father of B. D must be male, and generation point of view, D must be one generation above B. So I'll first look into the options where D is male. D plus I, D is daughter of I, option B is A is waste. Option A is waste, you have a look into that. Problem I am saying the gender is not correct. Here D plus B, again D is daughter of B, D must be not suitable. Now D into K, D is son of K. Okay. Here D slash K, maybe B and C, we will try one among that and we can handle. And in fact, between D and B, this is wrong. See, B into D, B into D, B is son of D, D is brother of K. Yes, clearly. D is father of B, suitable in option B. A and D directly eliminated because of gender female. D must be male, but as per A and D options, D is female. It's not suitable. Okay, then you can try among B and C one thing. With B, we got straightforward answer. Now, 11th one, cousins we need to calculate. Who are cousins? Cousins means siblings, childrens. Siblings, brother and sister are brothers, brothers' children are brother and sister's children, are both sisters' children. Siblings' children are called cousins. Now, as per this, A is sister of J, they given. A is sister of J. These two people are siblings. S into A is wife of D. D plus F, D is father of F. F less than E, F is wife of E. E plus K, E is father of K. S into A, S is son of A. S is son of A means obviously S is son of D as well. Okay, fine. This is one data. Other data, L greater than V, V less than G. V is wife of J. J plus P, J is father of P. L greater than V, L is daughter of V. Now, this people and this people are cousins. Cousins. L and P cousins? No, L and P are siblings. These pairs are cousins. S and V? No. S and P? Fine. L and P? No. S and F? No. S and P are called cousins. In fact, F and P, any of this, F with L, F with P, S with P, S with L, not only SP, SP, SL, FP, FL, all these are cousins. Now let's see about this question, 12th one, regarding movies they given. 6 movies on 6 consecutive days, starting from Monday. Right. Which movie is played on Tuesday is the question. Fine. This will align. But before that, you just see the arrangement. Rambo is played after Diago. Diago after Rambo. Nuria is telecast between Diago and Akira. Nuria is between Diago and Akira. Blade is immediately after Hangama but before Akira. Blade is after Hangama and before Akira. So I think we got all that order. HBANDR. Tuesday is B, Blade. Which movie is played on Tuesday is Blade. You see all conditions satisfied. Rambo is after Diago. Movie is telecast between Diago and Akira. You see every condition satisfied. Blade is immediately after Hangama, before Akira. Right. Now again arrangements related. 7 colored balls. So read the question. Is it Hangama? Check once. 11th question, blood relations. We need to draw diagram for this. Diagram for this. And in question they given A is the sister of J. I am using that first itself. A is the sister of J. Siblings, children are cousins. These people are cousin to this. See your aunt, your uncle son, your uncle daughter, your aunt son, your aunt daughter, they are called cousins. These people, F is cousin to P, F is cousin to L, L is cousin to F, L is cousin to S, right? So these are cousins. and drawing diagram for this LVJP and for this set of things, and they given A is sister of J. That also, if you map, we got this entire arrangement. Now, valid, okay, among options, which is cousin's pair is the question. Got it? Now, let's move into this 13. So, 7. Yellow is immediate left of purple. Purple, immediate left is yellow. Exactly 4 balls between blue and purple. So, one chance blue here, the other chance 1, 2, 3, 4 blue here. Total 7, right? Okay. Next, violet is to the left of blue, but not between blue and purple. Violet is to the left of blue, but not between blue and purple is okay here. But here, violet is to the left of blue, but not between blue and purple. If you go here, this is wrong. We want greater than 7 for places. But we have only 7 balls. We want to take, it's not possible. That's eliminated. Next, the violet and green have 2 balls between them. Violet is to the left of violet and green have 2 balls between them. Okay, fine. These are the things. Now, this is what are this is green. This is orange. This is red. Or this is red. This is orange. Now, how many balls between orange and red is 1 ball? Whether orange here, or red here, orange here, definitely 1 ball. Don't say not possible for arrangement. I agree. There are arrangement is not completed, but still, if people are able to answer this question, that's what the beauty in this. Statements and assumptions. Statement. In spite of normal demand supply conditions, company X is reducing the price of sugar this year. Other companies also reducing the price. That's the assumption. No, he reducing the price. Maybe due to competition also, right? See, I have a new market. Okay, I have a shop. Beside me, there is a new shop open, right? So to not lose my customers, I'm reducing the price so that they'll come, and that is also maybe a chance, right? Quality of sugar is no, this is also not the assumption. That's what I'm telling. There is a nearby competitor, new competitor came, new shop open. To attract people to my shop, I'm reducing the price. It's not about my quality of sugar in my shop is not good. Okay, that's not correct assumption. So it's neither one nor two. Data sufficiency. This is superb question actually, because option C. Many people will surprise with the answers later. Okay, because yeah, given the answer anyhow, but how it is happening, you just observe one of the ends of the rows to be fixed. Right, to have 7 people, 2 persons to the left of D, and to the right of D there are 4 people, then only total 7 will be okay. Fine. A and E are adjacent to F. B is to the left of C. A and E are adjacent to the F. Listen, A and E are adjacent to F. It's like A, F, E, or it can be E, F, A, fine. They'll occupy among these 4 places. B is to the left of C, that should come here, and I'm sure one of the ends B is for sure correct. They see who is definitely sitting at one of the ends of the row? B. B is definitely at one of the end of the row. Here in these 4 places, it will be AFA or EFA. Among these 4, 3 will be taken by that. One place will be taken by G, either here or there. But one of the ends of the rows is fixed by B, you observe it. Because see, among these 4, 3 will be occupied by these people and only one slot is there. B and C cannot be occupied in one slot because B and C should be immediate left. That should be here only. Next one, A and C are adjacent to D. D is third to the left of E. First left, second left, D is third left. B and F are immediate neighbors of E. Okay. A and C are adjacent to D. Here A and C are adjacent to D. B and F are neighbors of E. Now you see that one of the place that extra slot can be here. This is 6 people only, right? The 6 people slots are fixed. That extra slot can be here. Extra slot may be here or may be here. And in fact, this will be ARC, this is CRA, this is BRF, this is FRB. Here also it will be ARC, this is CRA, here it is BRF, this is FRB. But one of the end is damn sure occupied by G. G is occupying one of the end. So 2 alone I can say one of the ends is definitely occupied by G. 1 alone I can say one of the ends is definitely occupied by B. So either the statement 1 alone or 2 alone, I can decide who is going to be fixed at one of the ends of the row. Right? Okay, good. Now series, yeah, couple of minutes will complete 20 question set. Venn diagrams, same diagram, 2 questions they'll ask in general. Here, what percentage of Indian teachers? How many are Indian and teachers? Indian and teachers are 14 plus 11 plus 10, which is 35. Now, Indian teachers, hardworking but not researchers. Among this 35, 14, 11 and 10, you see, I want hardworking but not researchers. 14 is in hardworking but not researcher, okay. 11 is researcher, I don't want. 10 is not hardworking. So 14 out of 35. Percentage means you have to do into 100. This is 7 2 times, 7 5 times. I think you got it 40%. Indian teachers, who are that 14 plus 11 plus 10? 35. Among them, hardworking and researchers is 14 only. Right? So that percentage is what they want. Now here, Indian researchers, first of all, who are Indian and researchers? Indian, this circle, researchers is this. So this is 11, 10, 7, 13. Now I want teacher or hardworking, but I don't want both. If any candidate is both, I don't want that. Both is not okay. 11, you see, 11 is in teacher, 11 is in hardworking. I don't want that. 10, 10 is in teacher, 10 is not hardworking. Fine. So 10 is teacher, 10 is not hard. One among that is fine. What about 7? 7 is hardworking, not teacher. Fine. What about 13? 13 is not teacher, not hardworking. We don't want. So 17 is your answer. Either teacher or hardworking. One among that is fine. Not both also. Both also I don't want. Why this is eliminated is both are available. 11 is eliminated because they are teachers as well as hardworking. I don't want both. I want only one among the teacher or hardworking among these Indian researchers. 17 is the answer. Yeah, we said alternate sides are opposite. 1 and 3 are opposite. These two empty slots are opposite. Remaining numbers 2 and 4 are opposite. Now question is cannot be formed, cannot be formed, cannot be formed. See, option C cannot be formed. Why, sir? Option B cannot be formed. Why, sir? 1 and 3 are opposite. They shown 1 and 3 as adjacent. 2 and 4 are opposite. They shown 2 and 4 are adjacent. So B and C cannot be formed. Question is Out of which some can be formed, some cannot be found. What they're asking, wait, wait. Identify the boxes that can be formed, sorry. That can be formed they want. I don't want B and C. B eliminated, C eliminated. Cannot be formed. You want to form, you want to find which can be formed. Can be formed is what you need to calculate. I don't want B, I don't want C. B, I don't want, C, I don't want. A is for sure correct, you can identify. Why A correct, sir? See, 1 is there, empty and 4. 1 among opposite pairs is always cool. 2, 3 and empty, yeah. 2, 3 and empty are also cool. So A and D are correct. 1 among opposite pairs is fine. See, when you are in a room, if you see the front, you cannot see the back. When you see your left side, you cannot see the right side. Among opposite pairs, only one is visible, one is not visible generally. So 1 among opposite pairs combination is fine. But opposite pairs both shown at a time is blunder and it's a mistake. That cannot be happen. Now this paper cutting, whatever, yeah, this paper folding, this A will come to this place A. As there is no disturbance in the A, this A also no disturbance. So this is wrong. They said there is a cutting. No, actually. That came down, no. That when you fold, that will come down. There is no cutting happened in down. So it will not affect in that area. Right? So C eliminated. Next. Now look into this. When you fold, this B will be, let's say this is B and B. As there is a cutting in this side, this corner cutting is required. Here no cutting out, here no cutting out. My answer is very simple, option B. I'm looking into the corners, right? So B. Next 20, there is a relationship one by one. I'm assuming, let's say E equal to 20. D is half of E, which is 10. C is half of D, which is 5. B is 4.5 times of C, which is 22.5. A is twice B, which is 45. Question is, which is the lightest? C is the lightest. Right? So